ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു CCB ടൂൺസ്. 160 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഒരു CCB പരീക്ഷയുടെ അതേ മോഡലിൽ 160 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തും ബാക്കിയുള്ള 60 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വീതം മാത്സ്, GK, ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, അങ്ങനെയാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ള 60 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും തയ്യാറാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയാണോ ഒരു പരീക്ഷാ ഹാളിൽ ഒരു CCB എക്സാം എഴുതുന്നത്, അതേ മനോഭാവത്തോടെ ഈ മോഡൽ എക്സാം എഴുതാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. Apex society means option A state level society, option B district level society, option C village level society, option D national level society. Question number 3. The basic principle of a cooperative society is option A 1 share 1 vote, option B 1 member 1 vote, option C proxy vote, option D open votes. Question number 3. The motto of cooperative society is option A each for all and all for each, option B each for all, option C all for each, option D all for all. Question number 4. The audit memorandum is prepared by option A registrar, option B director of cooperative audit, option C auditor, option D committee of the society. Question number 5. Change of name of society is defined in section option A 12, option B 13, option C 14, option D 10. Question number 6. Every society shall start business within a period of dash from registration. Option A 5 months, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, option D 12 months. Question number 7. Annual general body of a society is defined in section dash. Option A 43, option B 29, option C 28, option D 28 subsection 5. Question number 8. The cooperative arbitration court entertains option A only monetary issue, option B only non-monetary issues, option C both monetary and non-monetary issues, option D monetary issues up to 10,000 and non-monetary issues. Question number 9. Who among the following has all powers of registrar except those laid under sections 2, 71 subsection 1 and 87 of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969? Option A deputy registrar, option B additional registrar, option C joint registrar, option D assistant registrar. Question number 10. As per which section the government gets direct partnership in the capital of a cooperative society? Option A section 41, option B section 42, option C section 50, option D section 51. Question number 11. Audit fee calculated by transport society is option A higher charges collected, option B sales, option C total income, option D working capital. Question number 12. If the secretary of a society may be option A paid or honorary, option B paid, option C honorary, option D none of these. Question number 13. As per section dash of every member of a society shall exercise the oath in person. Option A 22, option B 21, option C 23, option D 24. Question number 14. Audit of a cooperative society is option A internal, option B final, option C company, option D statutory. Question number 15. Audit of a cooperative society is done per section. Option A 62, option B 63, option C 80, option D 32. Question number 16. Auditor's plan of action is called option A audit program, option B audit note, option C audit procedure, option D auditing. Question number 17. Who will be the chief of audit of cooperative societies as per latest amendment? Option A registrar, option B finance secretary, option C RCS, option D DCA. Question number 18. Dash is considered as essence of auditing. Option A vouching, option B interior audit, option C voucher, option D fraud. Question number 19. Quorum of managing committee is 50% and it is defined in section option A 28 subsection 1, option B 28 subsection 4, option C 28 subsection 5, option D 32. Question number 20. Maximum shares held by a member shall not exceed option A 1/5 of the share total capital, option B rupees 5,000, option C 1/4 of the total share capital, option D 1/5 of the total share capital or rupees 5,000 which is less. Question number 21. According to Section 19, subsection 2 of the Banking Regulation Act, a bank can hold shares in a company not exceeding option A 20%, option B 25%, option C 30%, option D 35%. Question number 22. A debit card holder makes payment for purchases. Option A after 50 days, option B after 20 days, option C after a month, option D immediately through his account. Question number 23. RBI introduced a dash operated through repo and reverse repo. Option A LAF, option B CRR, option C SRR, option D CRAR. Question number 24. Dash is an asset which does not disclose any problem in terms of repayment. Option A doubtful asset, option B substandard asset, option C loss asset, option D standard assets. Question number 25. Asset remained as NPA for a period not exceeding 12 months. Option A substandard asset, option B performing asset, option C standard asset, option D loss asset. Question number 26. Asset remained in standard category for 12 months or more is option A loss asset, option B NPA, option C doubtful asset, option D none of these. Question number 27. NPA is defined as a credit facility in respect which the interest or installment of principal has remained overdue for dash days. Option A 120, option B 75, option C 365, option D 90. Question number 28. Dash was the main reason for the reduced profitability of the commercial banks in India. Option A LAF, option B CRAR, option C NBA, option D camels. Question number 29. Before sanctioning loans, bank should updated their dash profiles and to follow credit rating exercises. Option A cash balance, option B KYC, option C cash statement, option D personal loan. Question number 30. CRAR means option A credit reserve asset ratio, option B capital reserve asset ratio, option C capital to risk weighted asset ratio, option D capital reserve adequacy ratio. Question number 31. One who is employed to do any act for another or to represent another in dealing with a third person is option A principal, option B broker, option C agent, option D commission. Question number 32. Is the obligation of a banker to honor his customers' checks in extinguished on receipt of an order of the court is known as option A court order, option B garnishee order, option C judicial order, option D bylaw. Question number 33. Dash often used as provisional remedy. Option A garnishee order, option B consumer grievances, option C consumer redressal, option D none of these. Question number 34. Section 4 of the Dash Act, a banker may be asked to produce a copy of his customer's account before the court for verification. Option A Income Tax Act 1961, option B Banking Regulation Act 1949, option C Prevention of Moneylender Act 2002, option D Banker Book Evidence Act 1791. Question number 35. Banker has dash lien. Option A particular, option B special, option C general, option D primary. Question number 36. Is the role of banker when he collects checks, buys and sells shares, pays insurance premium is that of option A debtor, option B agent, option C broker, option D drawer. Question number 37. Section 12 of Dash Act lays down obligation on banker to maintain a record of all transactions, verify and maintain the records of the identity of all clients and furnish information when required. Option A Prevention of Moneylending Act 2002, option B Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891, option C Banking Regulation Act 1949, option D none of these. Question number 38. Dash right enable a banker to combine a debit balance in one account of the customer with his credit balance is some other account. Option A right of particular lien, option B right of appropriation, option C right to set off, option D right to general lien. Question number 39. Banker can exercise the right of set off. Option A if the two accounts are in the same name and same right, option B after the garnishee order if received, option C if the account is joint account and the debt due is from a single account holder, option D even if the customer's dues are payable at a future date. Question number 14. Dash account is opened by NRIs in Indian banks. Option A NRO, Option B, NRI. Option C, NRE. Option D, RFC. Question number 41. Debit balances of all personal accounts are collectively called as. Option A, sundry creditors. Option B, sundry debtors. Option C, personal account balance. Option D, total of personal accounts. Question number 42. In accounting only dash discount is recorded. Option A, trade. Option B, cash. Option C, real. Option D, none of these. Question number 43. An expenditure incurred to derive long-term advantages. Option A, revenue expenditure. Option B, capital expenditure. Option C, deferred revenue expenditure. Option D, expense. Question number 44. Accounting records transactions in terms of. Option A, commodity units. Option B, production units. Option C, monetary units. Option D, expense units. Question number 45. The process of recording transactions in a journal is known as. Option A, journalizing. Option B, balancing. Option C, posting. Option D, tallying. Question number 46. Trial balance is a. Option A, statement. Option B, account. Option C, journal. Option D, none of these. Question number 47. Which of the following is a direct expense? Option A, rent. Option B, salary. Option C, wages. Option D, interest. Question number 48. The process of recording transactions in a ledger is known as. Option A, journalizing. Option B, tallying. Option C, posting. Option D, balancing. Question number 49. In sole traders balance sheet, assets are arranged in the order of. Option A, permanency. Option B, liquidity. Option C, single entry. Option D, double account. Question number 50. Excess of closing capital over opening capital denotes. Option A, profit. Option B, loss. Option C, additional capital. Option D, lesser capital. Question number 51. Sale of old newspaper is. Option A, revenue receipt. Option B, capital receipt. Option C, revenue expenditure. Option D, none of these. Question number 52. Which statement gives a concise idea about the profitability and financial position of the business? Option A, final accounts. Option B, journal. Option C, subsidiary books. Option D, ledger. Question number 53. The amount of money owned by a business to outsider is called. Option A, assets. Option B, liability. Option C, expense. Option D, income. Question number 54. The expenses and income in the business can be classified into. Option A, assets and liabilities. Option B, capital and revenue. Option C, debit and credit. Option D, none. Question number 55. Expenses paid in advance is. Option A, liability. Option B, asset. Option C, expense. Option D, income. Question number 56. Excess of debit over credit means. Option A, gross profit. Option B, gross loss. Option C, net profit. Option D, net loss. Question number 57. Outstanding expenses is. Option A, assets. Option B, liability. Option C, expense. Option D, income. Question number 58. Dash is an expenditure which is incurred to meet the day-to-day expenses of the business. Option A, revenue receipt. Option B, capital receipt. Option C, capital expenditure. Option D, revenue expenditure. Question number 59. Dash wages incurred for the current period are shown as a liability in the balance sheet unless it is paid. Option A, prepaid. Option B, outstanding. Option C, deferred. Option D, none of these. Question number 60. Accrued income is. Option A, asset. Option B, liability. Option C, expense. Option D, income. Question number 61. SLR is defined section dash of the Banking Regulation Act. Option A, 24. Option B, 18. Option C, 23. Option D, 17. Question number 62. Crossing and its effects are mentioned in chapter dash of Negotiable Instrument Act. Option A, 16. Option B, 18. Option C, 20. Option D, 14. Question number 63. NI Act came to force in. Option A, 1982 മാർച്ച് 1. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1882 മാർച്ച് 1. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1982 ജനുവരി 1. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1982 ഡിസംബർ 1. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 64. ദ ബാങ്കിങ് കമ്പനീസ് ആക്ട് ഈസ് പാസ്ഡ് ഇൻ. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 1947. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1965. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1949. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1956. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 65. The Banking Companies Act is renamed as Banking Regulation Act in. Option A 1965. Option B 1966. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1949, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1881. Question number 66. SCU is established as per provisions of section dash of KCS Act 1969. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 88, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 89, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 87, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 91. Question number 67. The first president of SCU is ഓപ്ഷൻ എ KR Ilagant, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി PG Menon, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി കേശവൻ നായർ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി KG Raju. Question number 68. സംസ്ഥാന സഹകരണ ഭവൻ റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു ഓപ്ഷൻ എ CCU, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി NCUI, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി SCU, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി KCU. Question number 69. KICMA is an institute started by dash in 1999. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ CCU, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി NCUI, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി SCU, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി KSU. Question number 70. Section dash of KCS Act 1969 is functions of SCU. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 88, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 89, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 87, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 91. Question number 71. Who among the following regulates credit rating agencies in India? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ SEBI, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി RBI, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി SBI, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി NABARD. Question number 72. Name of the first credit rating agency of India. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ CARE, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി CRISIL, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ICRA, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി CIBIL. Question number 73. Is the Exim Bank established in? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 1982 മാർച്ച് 1, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1982 ജനുവരി 1, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1982 ഫെബ്രുവരി 1, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1982 മെയ് 1. Question number 74. Which of the following agency launched India's first index to benchmark performance of investments of foreign portfolio investors in the fixed income market? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ CRISIL, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി CIBIL, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ICRA, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി CARE. Question number 75. NHB is established under section dash of National Housing Bank Act 1987. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 5, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 6, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 7, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 8. Question number 76. Father of British Cooperative Movement. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ സുനിയാട്സൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ലുസാറ്റി, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ. Question number 77. Father of American Cooperative Movement. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ലുസാറ്റി, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഹുഡ്സൺ കെല്ലി. Question number 78. The cooperative credit organizations called KOH was organized in? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഇസ്രായേൽ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി സ്വീഡൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ഇറ്റലി, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ജപ്പാൻ. Question number 79. The Danish Cooperative Wholesale Society was? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ DAG, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി അൽക്ക, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ബീസ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി FTB. Question number 80. Central Union of Consumer Society in Russia. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആൽഫ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി സെൻട്രോസോയൂസ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി DAG, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി FDB. Question number 81. Who is the pioneer of urban cooperative banking system in the world? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ഷൂൾസ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഹൊറൈസ് പ്ലങ്കറ്റ്. Question number 82. Pioneer of cooperative movement in Italy. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ലുസാറ്റി, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി റെയ്ഫസൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഹൊറൈസ് പ്ലങ്കറ്റ്. Question number 83. റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ ഡൈഡ് ഇൻ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 1818, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1858, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1889, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1881. Question number 84. Who coined first the term cooperative society? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി റെയ്ഫസൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഹൊറൈസ് പ്ലങ്കറ്റ്. Question number 85. Schulz banks is also called? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ പോപ്പുലർ ബാങ്ക്സ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ടൗൺ ബാങ്ക്സ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ഷെയർ ബാങ്ക്സ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദി അബോവ്. Question number 86. Father of Indian Cooperative Movement. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ റോബർട്ട് ഓവൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി F.A. നിക്കോൾസൺ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി റെയ്ഫസൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി വില്യം കിങ്. Question number 87. The monthly publication of NCUI. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ കോപ്പറേറ്റർ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ദ കോപ്പറേറ്റർ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി കോപ്പറേഷൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി നൺ ഓഫ് ദീസ്. Question number 88. ഗോർഹാൻ കമ്മിറ്റി റിപ്പോർട്ട് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ NCDC, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി NCCF, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി NAFED, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി NCUI. Question number 89. NCDC was established in? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 1963 നവംബർ 13, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1963 ജൂൺ 13, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1963 മാർച്ച് 13, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 1963 മാർച്ച് 3. Question number 90. ICDP was implemented first in dash district in Kerala. Option A. Nadia. Option B. Wayanad. Option C. Kottayam. Option D. Palakkad. Question number 91. Cooperative tour is the publication of Option A. NAFED. Option B. ICDP. Option C. NCDC. Option D. NCCF. Question number 92. Nodal agency for implementing price supporting scheme of government is Option A. NCUI. Option B. NDDB. Option C. NAFED. Option D. NCCE. Question number 93. The committee headed by dash recommended the principle one man one vote. Option A. Reifeset. Option B. Gorwala Committee. Option C. McLagan Committee. Option D. Minto-Morley Committee. Question number 94. Edward Law Committee report was submitted in Option A. 1904. Option B. 1903. Option C. 1902. Option D. 1901. Question number 95. Which type of report is not included in AIRCSC? Option A. Survey report. Option B. General report. Option C. Managerial report. Option D. Technical report. Question number 96. Who is the chairman of AIRCRC? Option A. A.D. Gorwala. Option B. McLagan. Option C. H. Calvert. Option B. B. Vengadappai. Question number 97. Law and Principles of Cooperation is a book written by Option A. Robert Owen. Option B. H. Calvert. Option C. F. A. Nicholson. Option D. McLagan. Question number 98. Crop loan system is the recommendation of Option A. AIRCSC. Option B. AIRCRC. Option C. ACRC. Option D. None. Question number 99. Task Force Committee constituted by Option A. RBI. Option B. Central Government. Option C. NABARD. Option D. SEBI. Question number 100. IFCO is registered under Option A. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. Option B. Multi-Unit Cooperative Societies Act. Option C. Multi-Purpose Cooperative Societies Act. Option D. Banking Regulation Act. 101 മുതൽ 160 വരെയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഓപ്ഷൻസും വായിക്കുന്നില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ വായിച്ച് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുക. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇനിയുള്ള സ്ലൈഡ്സ് പെട്ടെന്ന് പോകും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ആ ഒരു സ്ലൈഡ് വരുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ പോസ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുക. ആ സ്ലൈഡിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം മാത്രം അടുത്ത സ്ലൈഡിലേക്ക് പോകുന്ന രീതിയിലേക്ക് മാറുക. ഓക്കെ.